Hello everyone, welcome to the AI for RWS YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to install Python in just 60 seconds. Let's get started. First, we will go to the Python page at python.org website. Next, click on downloads and then download Python for Windows. After the download is complete, open the installer and check Add Python to Path. This will allow you to run Python commands from anywhere in your command prompt or terminal. Once it's done, open command prompt and type Python version to verify the installation. And now you've successfully installed Python on your computer. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to AI for RWS for more quick tutorials.